Okay, next item, 7071 Torino deck lid, coupe, hard top, 4-door. This is a all original coupe. It also fits a 7071 Cyclone, and it is in really nice shape. It fits square on the car, and it has very minimal work need to be done to it. It looks like it's been blended in this area here, but it doesn't show any signs of being repaired there. Maybe a paint touch up, but backside lip looks really, really nice. We'll go over that. Coming down, very, very good, very nice piece. And it's a nice piece. No rust in the corners, back seam, little bit right in there that you'll have to address, but not bad. Latch area looks real nice, and Henry stamp, so you can tell this is original paint. So let me know what you think by hitting that bid now button. Thank you.